In today's lesson, we are going to learn about how can illustrations help me understand a text. So sometimes as we read, we visualize and we form mental images, which have been the last two lessons that we've talked about. Sometimes we use the illustrations in the text to actually gain new information. A lot of times, students think that books with illustrations are only for young children. Well, today we're going to look at nonfiction illustrations that give us information to the readers. And I'm not going to read any of the text. Instead, you're going to look at the pictures and make a list of what you can learn about the text just through the images. So a lot of times you can gain more information from nonfiction books, that means books that are true, because these books tell about real things, people, events, and places. When we're looking at pictures, sometimes there are text features like boldface, that means it's darker than the rest of the text, or italics, where it's kind of leaning, or sometimes it's the text is highlighted. Here's another text feature, and these are called bullets. You put a dot, and then you can put either a word or a sentence, and you can be like, okay, there's 3 important pieces of information. Boom, boom, boom. And you write them out like that, and they kind of stand out. There's also graphs and photos and illustrations where we look at it to gain more information. Sometimes we need to read a table or a chart to find like different trends. Okay. Parts of a nonfiction book, they usually have an index and a glossary, table of contents. They have captions under the pictures, and a lot of times they have different colored font and the size. And so that's what helps, like, all of these stand out. Like, this is bigger than these 2 fonts. This one's purple, that one's green, that one's black. So the next couple slides, you are going to take a look at them, and you are going to make a list about what you are learning from each picture. So, how did all of those illustrations contribute to the meaning of what was in the text?